Okay, we are live, right? Yes, the audio is proper, right? The audio is proper. So welcome to the class, guys. Right? Hello, everyone. So welcome to the class. As the title reads 3D mensuration, but today we'll be going on with the problems on trains. Okay. So today I'll be finishing the concepts of problems on trains. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we'll be studying 2D and 3D mensuration, and then we'll be moving on to the number system, and then we'll be moving on to the number system. So without wasting much time, okay, let us go with the proceedings here. So you guys have this, right? So this is going to start tomorrow, right? The 4th of July. The 4th of July, that is the Sunday tomorrow, you guys will be having the next Unacademy combat, which is the largest scholarship combat. Use my code SAYT. Use my code SAYT and enter into this combat, enroll into this combat, earn Unacademy subscriptions, earn scholarships on Unacademy subscriptions, and crack your favorite exams. Okay. Yes. Moving forward to the plus subscription, these are the eminent benefits you people will be having by accessing the plus subscription. You also have the iconic part. In the iconic part, along with this plus subscriptions, you guys will be getting study planners, personal coach, dedicated download instructors, as well as preparatory study material. So going ahead with this, the GATE and ESE subscription, you guys can choose whether the plus or the iconic one. Just use my code SAYT. Using my code SAYT, you guys will be getting 10% off. So either you can go for the plus plan or for the iconic plan. Okay, yes, so let us start with our conceptual session now. Let us start with our conceptual session now, right? So till now we studied the time, speed and distance. Yes, people, right? Till now we studied the time, speed and distance. Okay, so now we will be studying the problems on trains, right? Concepts of problems on trains. Okay, yes, concepts of problems on trains, they are not different from time, speed and distance. Whatever you have learned in time, speed and distance, the same concepts, some more concepts are there that I'll be telling in today's class, right? The first thing, right, you guys know the most important definition when it comes to distance, speed and train. It is distance is equal to speed into time. Yes, distance is equal to speed into time. Now moving forward with that, right, the first concept, the first one, right? Yes, so there is a train which is going at this speed, and this is the distance of the train, right? So this train meets a person, a pole, a pillar or a tree, right? This train crosses a person, a pole, a pillar or a tree, right? This train crosses a person, a pole, a pillar or a tree. I need to have a scale here. Yes, okay. This train crosses a person, pole, pillar, or tree, right? First of all, tell me, do these things have something called as distance? Do these things have something called as distance? Right? No. These are static objects, right? These are static objects. So they won't bear any importance on the distance the train is crossing. Yes or no? They won't bear any importance on the distance they are crossing. So this same distance, right? The same formula, when it comes to a train, the same formula gets changed to a new formula, which is nothing but length of the train is equal to speed into time. Length of the train is equal to speed into time. Yes or no? So here, when this is going, these people, right, a person, poor, pillar or a tree, right, when they are static, they do not have a speed, they do not have a distance also. In such situations, the length of the train is nothing but speed into time. In such situations, the length of the train is nothing but speed into time. Moving on to the second concept now. Right, moving on to the second concept now. The same again. A train is there. A train is going in this direction. This is the distance, right? This train meets a bridge or a platform, right? This train meets a bridge or a platform. Yes, a bridge or a platform. These both, they have what? What do these both have? These both have a distance. Yes or no? Distance है इनके पास. Bridge or platform, they will be in a distance, right? So whenever a train crosses a bridge or platform, whenever a train crosses a bridge or platform, it will be what? When you take length is equal to speed into time. Here we also add the distance of the bridge, right? Distance of the bridge of the platform. So length of the train plus length of the platform or length of the bridge, whatever it is equal to speed into time, right? Is equal to speed into time. Okay, this is your second concept. Now moving forward with our third concept. Okay, now I'll move forward with my third concept. So third concept is there is train 1 which is going in this direction. Okay, there is a man who is coming in the this direction, right? So what are the directions of man and train both, right? What are the directions of man and train both here, right? This holds the same thing for a train also, right? Yes, man and train, so they both are in opposite directions. Yes or no? They both are in opposite directions. So this is my distance, right? Yes, so they both are coming like this, they both in opposite directions. The speed of the man is sm, the speed of the train is st. Remain here, right? Always here the time of crossing of these both people, right? What is t? What is t? Always in problems of trains, always in problems of trains, t, that is time t is nothing but the time of crossing. Time t is nothing but the time of crossing. Okay, yes, they both are in opposite directions. So here the man, he's coming with a speed, so this man will also have a d, right? Will this man have a d people? Will this man have a distance? नहीं, man का कोई distance नहीं रहेगा. इधर ही हमने प्रूव कर लिया ना, person pole pillar और tree. But man का speed रह सकता है. So they both are coming in opposite directions. So length of the train is equal to the relative speed into t, right? Relative speed into t. What will be my relative speed? They are in opposite directions. Opposite मतलब दोनों join कर रहे हैं. Join मतलब addition, right? So here it will be speed of the train plus speed of the man into t. T is nothing but the time of crossing. If they both are going in the same direction, right? If the man is going in the same direction, right? Though both are in the same direction, okay? तो यहाँ same direction का concept आ जाएगा. At the speed of the man, it is sm only. And if they both are going in the same direction, then the length of the train is equal to speed of relative speed into t. My relative speed will be addition of both the speeds. My relative speed will be addition of both the speeds here, right? My relative speed will be addition of both the speeds. This is your third concept. Moving on to the fourth concept now, right? I'll move on to the fourth concept now, right? If you have learned time, speed and distance properly, trains is not at all issue for you, right? Yes. I have train 1 which is in this direction. I have train 2 which is in this direction. The speed of train 1 is st, the speed of st1, the speed of train 2 is st2. Both the trains are having length here, right? Both the trains are having length here, so this will be lt1 and this will be lt2. As you guys know, t is nothing but the time of crossing. Time will be the time of crossing, which is your t, which is your t. So they both are going in what? Opposite directions now, right? So here both the lengths are there, right? I am having a distance here, right? I am having a distance, but both the lengths are there. Yes or no? The train covers this much length, covers this much length. So my distance will be what, Re Baba, right? My train here, my train is going from this position to this position. Let us consider. And my train is 2 is going from this position to this position, right? So this is nothing but my distance, right? This will be nothing but my distance. So distance, can I tell it is lt1 plus lt2? Yes or no? The length traveled by train 1 plus the length traveled by train 2. है ना? The length traveled by train 1 plus length traveled by train 2. So here my distance will be lt1 plus lt2. In the previous examples and all, why we were taking lt? Because the man was static here, but the man is having, right? Man is a horizontal object. Man is a horizontal object. Train is a vertical object. हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑब्जेक्ट का क्या डिस्टेंस रहेगा, वो ऐसे आता रहेगा. सो ट्रेन का कितना ट्रेन मूव करेगा वही डिस्टेंस होगा. दैट इज द रीजन वी ऑलवेज टेक लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन, बिकॉज द ट्रेन इज ओनली मूविंग. That is the distance. So what is the distance? The distance or the place the train has moved, right? The distance or the place the train has moved. So yes, we were in this concept now, right? We were in this concept now, right? So this is going to be what? They both are in opposite speeds. Opposite speeds matlab relative speed into t. So this is going to be what, Re Baba? lt1 plus lt2. They both are in opposite speeds, so speed will be added, right? So this will be st1 plus st2 into t, right? The same here, right? The same here. Let me change the color. Okay, same here. If they both are going in the same direction, right? If train 2 is going in the same direction, right? If train 2 is going in the same direction, let the speeds and length be same, right? Will there be a difference, people? Right? What is the distance? What is the distance, right? The train 1 will be going in this direction. Train 2 will be going in this direction. Yes or no? So the total distance will be the distance traveled by both of them. Total distance will be the distance traveled by both of them. तो हमारा length जो है वो तो same ही रहेगा, right? So it is LT1 plus LT2, right? What time will it take for the trains to meet each other, right? जब भी ये green वाला concept आएगा, right? Whenever this green वाला concept, it is the time of meeting of both the trains, right? Time of meeting of both the trains. Whenever I get this blue wala concept, it means, I'll write it just here. Okay, whenever I get this blue wala concept, it means when the trains are crossing each other, right? When the trains are crossing each other, tab ye blue wala concept hoga. At what time the trains will cross each other, that means they both are going in the same direction, right? They both are going in the same direction. So LT1 plus LT2 is equal to again SR into T. So here this will be LT1 plus LT2 is equal to SR, relative speed दोनों same है, right? So this will be ST1 minus ST2 into T, right? Yes. So here the T is nothing but the meeting time, and here the T is nothing but the crossing time, right? T is the time of crossing or the time of meeting. So here also it might be time of crossing or time of meeting, time of crossing the man or time of meeting the man. Okay? Yes. This will be your concept. This will be a formulas which you people will be using for the problems on trains. Right? This will be the problems on trains. Okay. Yes. The next concept. Okay. Next we'll be moving on to the next concept. Okay. What is the next concept? Okay. So there is a train. Okay. Yes, my drawings are not so great. Yes, there is a train which is moving with the speed S1, and the length of this train is L1. Okay, and so this train is L1, right? There is another train which is moving with the speed S2, okay, and the length of this train is L2. Okay, length of this train is L2. Some shararati bacha will be there on the top of the train, and he will be seeing this train, right? He will be seeing this train. Yes or no? He will be seeing this train. This is a different concept. Please do see this properly. Okay, yes, this is a different concept. Okay, some shararati bacha is seeing this, right? Okay, so when will this person, or when will the train which is present over here will meet this person? When will the train which is present over here will meet or क्रॉस दिस पर्सन? ठीक है, मीट के लिए अलग वाला है, क्रॉस के लिए अलग वाला है. क्रॉस के लिए मैं बता देता हूँ, ठीक है, मीट के लिए. ओके, यस, मीट और क्रॉस दिस पर्सन, इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू द सेम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस the speeds are going to be what over here? The speeds are going to be opposite. Okay, opposite speed है. Yes, you guys know that length is equal to speed into time. Length किसने का ऐड करूंगा, right? This person or this person is being crossed by which train? This person here is being crossed by which train? This L1 train. This L1 train will cross this person. No, he is sitting on L2, right? So L1 has to cross him, or L1 has to meet him. L1 has to cross him, or L1 has to meet him, right? What is the issue of L2 here? Why will you put L1 plus L2? L2 जाते रहेगा तो L1 जितना space इधर पहुंचेगा, right? The space will be traveled by L1 itself, right? Will L2 travel that distance? No, that is not needed, because it is the difference between L1 and L2. Because L1 is going to touch him, L2 is just taking him forward. So if L1 touches him, that would be the distance. क्योंकि L2 का तो ये वाला पूरा distance आएगा, right? So what is the distance I have to take? I have to take the distance of the length, right? Distance of the train one. But here, yes, the speed matches here because both of them are going with speeds. So this will be relative speed into t. So what is going to be your L1 here? Your L1 will be, they both are in opposite directions. So this will be S1 minus S2 into t. Right? This will be S1 minus S2 into t. Right? जब भी ये concept का question पूछा गया, a person is seeing there, a person is seeing there. Right? This will be the formula you guys will apply. Yes. Okay. The next one concept. Right here. Okay. So there is a train which is going with the speed S1. Length is L1. There is a platform, or there is a platform or bridge. Okay, yes, the length of this platform is LP. Okay, there is a person who is sitting on this platform. there is a person who is sitting on this platform. ठीक है? Yes. तो पहली बात मुझे ये बताओ, पहली बात, okay, so let me just scroll down a bit. Yes, okay. पहली बात मुझे ये बताओ, so this is nothing but a platform and the length of the platform is p. So I'll just write it as platform here so that you guys don't get confused. This is the platform. है ना बाबा? This is the platform. Now tell me, if I take L is equal to S into T, will this person have speed? He's just sitting on the platform, right? He's just sitting on the platform, so his speed will be 0. So even if I take a relative speed here, it is nothing but, right, even if I take relative speed, he is opposite direction, he is in the front direction, s1 minus 0, so it is s1 only, right? So yes, so here the question would be, what would be the time? Okay, what would be the time to cross this person? Okay, right, what would be the time to cross this person? Okay, L is equal to S into T, right? L is equal to S into T. So this length is going to cross him. No, this train is going to cross him. Will the platform move? Will the platform move? No, the platform is not moving, but the length of the train will go up till here. So that is the distance I have to calculate. So this will be L1 is equal to, he doesn't have speed, so this is S1 into T. Yes, whenever they ask you this question, this is what you guys will be writing. This is what you guys will be writing. A person is sitting on a platform. How much time would it take him to cross him? L1 is equal to S into T. Yes. The last concept of problems on trains is nothing but the accident concept. Right. The last concept on your problems on trains is nothing but the accident concept. Okay. Yes. Accident concept happens on a big distance. Right. Accident concept happens on a big distance. Okay. I'm sorry for the distorted distance here. Right. I'm sorry for the distorted distance. So let me try to make it straight. It's again distorted. Sorry there. Okay. Yes. So there are two trains. First of all, right? There is a single train. Accident concept happens on a single train. Okay. Yes. So they will give a question like this. A train is going at a speed. So this will be the starting point. A train is going at a speed. Wantedly, I am doing this color here so that you guys can understand the concept clearly. A train is going at a speed of 50 km per hour. Okay, a train is going at a speed of 50 km per hour. Somewhere at this point, the train meets with an accident, right? Somewhere at this point, the train meets with an accident. After the accident happens, the speed of the train, reduces by 4 by 5th of its original speed. 4 by 5th of the original speed. By 4 by 5th of the original speed, and the train from here, right? And the train from here to reach here would take 40 minutes late than the original time, right? It would take 40 minutes late than the original time, right? 40 minutes late than the original time. Okay, yes, it was scheduled to meet at 7 o'clock, right? It will meet at 7:40, right? It will meet at 7:40, right? Same question, they will tell you. Okay, same question. I'm really sorry. I can leave anyways. Okay, same question from here, right? So they will tell you, instead of at this point, okay, the train is going at 50 km per hour, right? The train is going at 50 km per hour from here to here, right? The train is going at 50 km per hour from here to here, and instead of this point, if the accident had happened, 60 kilometers ahead, right? Understand this question. Instead of this point over here, if the accident had happened 60 kilometers ahead of this point, right, the train, anyways, the speed will reduce the same, speed ka reduction same ही होगा, speed will reduce by 4/5 of its original, but it will reach the spot. It will reach the spot, but the train will reach the spot when the train will reach the spot 30 minutes late than the original time, right? 30 minutes late than the original time. Okay, 30 minutes late than the original time. Okay, yes, this is what is your concept. Now see here clearly, people, right? I'm using a different color pen, right? So if I do this, I'm getting three parts, yes or no? If I clearly divide this whole segment, I'm getting three parts. Hana Baba, right? If I'm getting three parts, yes or no? And they have given 4/5 of the original speed. This one in my speed time and speed lecture only I have told you 4/5 of the original speed, which what? So this will be the original speed, and this is going to be the actual speed after the accident, right? Yes. So tell me, people, I'm using a different color for you now. Okay, 4/5. So until the accident happened, what was the speed of the train? The speed of the train was 5x. Here the accident happens, so the speed of the train will be 4x, and here also the speed of the train will be 4x, right? The speed of the train will be 4x on both the sides, right? So this red line means the accident has not happened yet, yes or no? This red line means the accident has not happened yet, okay? So here also it is going to be 5x only. Here the accident has not happened yet, 5x. Here the accident has happened, so this will be 4x, right? Okay, this will be 4x. Now, do I know the distance? Do I know the total distance here, people? Do I know the total distance? What is the distance of this? Yes, distance is constant both the sides. But do I know what is the distance? No. But I know a key point here. 60 kilometer ahead. That means this particular partition which I have done, the D here is nothing but 60 kilometer. Okay, and I know the ratio of the speeds of both the trains, right? I know the ratio of speeds of both the trains, right? It is 4x and 5x, right? So here you guys can apply two different formulas. Either you can take here, right? D is going to be xy divided by x minus y into delta t. Yes, you can use this and formulate, right, what is going to be the original speed of the train, what is going to be the less speed of the train, right? So here, what is your delta t, people? Your delta t is t1 minus t2. What is going to be a t1, remember, right? What is going to be a t1? Okay, so 40 minutes later than the original, so this is t plus 40. This is 30 minutes later than the original, so this is t plus 30, right? So substitute both of them here. So this is t plus 40 minus t plus 30. T plus 40 minus t plus 30. So t and t gets cancelled. So this is going to be 10. Right? T and t gets cancelled. So this is going to be how much, Baba? Right? This is going to be 10. Okay. Just a minute. Right? 40 minus 30. Yes, 10. Okay. 40 minus 30. This is going to be 10. Yes or no? Just a minute. Okay, so this is going to be minus t minus 30. So plus 40 minus 10 सही तो है. Yes, 10 सही तो है. और क्या? Okay, yes. Okay, 10 is correct. Okay, so delta t will be 10. Right? X and y, do I know here, people? Right? Do I know the value of x and y? Yes, for sure you know the value of x and y. Right? I have two different speeds, 4x and 5x. Right? I have two different speeds, 4x and 5x. So this is going to be 5x into 4x divided by 5x minus 4x is x. Yes or no? X minus y. Sir, आपने x minus y क्यों लिया? Because I do not know, right? Yes. So here t2 is greater than t1, right? ये भी बोल सकता हूँ मैं, right? यहाँ t2 और t1 greater है, क्योंकि अगर मैं t को 5 मान लूँ, अगर मैं t को 20 minutes मान लूँ, so this will be t1 is going to be 60 minutes, whereas t2 is going to be 50 minutes. ठीक है? तो इसलिए हम x minus y करते हैं. And also you guys forgot one more thing. If it is same speed both the sides, तो minus ही होगा ना, right? तो इधर भी देखो my train is going in this direction, इधर भी देखो my train is going in this direction. So my relative speed will be what, रे बाबा? S1 minus S1, yes or no? Both the sides my train is going in the same speed. Both the sides my train is going in the same direction. तो इधर क्या होगा? इधर x है और इधर y है. So this is going to be x minus y, right? the difference of both the speeds because they are going in the same direction, right? So x minus y is x into 10. तो ये 10 minutes है ना बाबा, ठीक है, yes or no? So this is 10 minutes, right? तो 10 बार 60 करना पड़ेगा because time is always in hours, right? 10 बार 60 करना पड़ेगा because time is always in hours. x और x कट जाएगा इधर, yes or no? So this is going to be 5 4s are 20x, okay, 20x into 1 by 6, so this is 20 by 60x बन जाएगा, ठीक है, जो बन जाएगा 2 by 6 or else I can write it as 1 by 3x, yes or no, right? Yes, 1 by 3 of x is going to be the speed, 1 by 3 of x is going to be the distance here, right? 1 by 3 of x is going to be the distance here. तो यहाँ distance कैसे काटूं, यहाँ distance में कैसे find out करूं? तो यहाँ जो बात है 5x is to 4x, right? 5x is to 4x और इसका स्पीड जो है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, right? Let us take the ratios here, right? Let us take the ratios here. What are my ratios? So s1 is to s2, right? तो s1 मेरा था 5 original speed, s2 4 था, okay? So now the distance of this is already known to me, right? Yes, 5r is 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर दिया है मैंने, तो 1r का वैल्यू क्या होगा रे बाबा, 10 होगा ना, ठीक है? तो ये बन जाएगा 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर और ये बन जाएगा मेरा 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, राइट? ये बन जाएगा 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो 5 माइनस 1 क्या हुआ रे बाबा, राइट? इन दोनों का डिफरेंस मैं करूंगा, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस मैं करूंगा तो 5 माइनस 1 क्या हुआ रे बाबा, राइट? इन दोनों का जब मैं डिफरेंस करूंगा 5 माइनस 1, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बीट, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बीट, राइट? इन दोनों का डिफरेंस करूंगा तो 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड व्हाट इज द स्पीड हियर, 60 किलोमीटर, राइट? व्हाट इज द स्पीड हियर? इन दोनों का जब मैं डिफरेंस लूंगा, क्योंकि डिफरेंस ही लेना पड़ेगा ना, इधर 4x में जा रहा हूँ इधर 1x में जा रहा हूँ, और ये डिफरेंस किसके वजह से, ये 60 किलोमीटर अहेड जाके मेरा क्यों होगा, क्योंकि मैं 5x के स्पीड से जा रहा था, तो इधर मैं 4x के स्पीड में था, मतलब 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, इधर 5x के स्पीड में, तो इन दोनों को माइनस करूंगा तभी मुझे पता चलेगा ना क्यों मैं 60 किलोमीटर अहेड गया था, राइट? क्यों मैं 60 किलोमीटर अहेड गया था? तो 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर and they have given 60 kilometer as the distance. 6 kilometer क्यों लिखा, okay? Yes, they have given 60 kilometer as the distance. तो तुम लोग ये सोचो कि कितना घंटा जाना पड़ेगा मुझे 60 किलोमीटर पहुंचने के लिए, 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर, so my time is going to be what रे बाबा, my time is going to be 6 hours here, yes or no? मेरा टाइम इधर 6 hours होगा, मैंने सब अननोन क्वांटिटीज दिया है because I am explaining the question for you people, right? I am explaining the question for you people, ठीक है? तो अगर मैं इधर बताता हूँ कि आई एम रीचिंग दिस स्पॉट एट 12 आवर्स 13 आवर्स और कुछ, तो 60 किलोमीटर 6 किलोमीटर पे, तो 13 आवर्स के बाद पहुंचूंगा, 14 आवर्स के बाद पहुंचूंगा, तो तुम लोग इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो ना कि कितना टाइम हुआ होगा, यहाँ 6 आवर्स हुआ होगा मेरे लिए, yes, okay? So that is what is the concept behind it, right? That is what is going to be the concept behind it. Or else you guys can also find out here, यहाँ मैं 10 मिनट लेट था ना बाबा, अगर वो बात आपको, if you are not able to understand the ratio chronology here, it is t plus 10, yes or no? plus 10 मिल रहा है 10 मिनट्स लेट, और इस 10 मिनट्स लेट में अगर ये बात आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो ये बात पूरा मैं एरेज कर देता हूँ, ओके? बिकॉज दिस, ये बात अगर समझ में नहीं आया 60 किलोमीटर, ये बात तो समझ में आ चुका होगा, S1 और S2 ये तो ईजी है क्योंकि ये रेशियो वाला है, ओके? यस, हाँ रुको, ओके, यस, तो मेरा टाइम कितना था बाबा, t प्लस 10, यस और नो, t प्लस 10, और ये 10 मिनट्स की दूरी में मैंने 60 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिया ना, ये 10 मिनट्स की वजह से मैंने 60 किलोमीटर कवर कर लिया, यस, ओके? 10 मिनट्स के वजह से, because of being 10 minutes I covered 60 kilometers, right? Because of being late by 10 minutes I covered 60 kilometers. तो अगर मैं 1 मिनट का निकालूं, अगर मैं 1 मिनट का निकालूं तो कितना किलोमीटर किया होगा मैंने, 6 किलोमीटर किया होगा, यस, बरोबर, राइट? 6 किलोमीटर किया होगा, यस और नो? तो इस पर मैं कितना लेट था, 30 मिनट्स लेट था, इस पर 40 मिनट्स लेट था, यस और नो? इस पर मैं 30 मिनट्स लेट था, इस पर मैं 40 मिनट्स लेट था. अगर मैं 40 मिनट्स लेट हुआ तो मैं कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर सूंगा, राइट? 40 मिनट्स लेट, 10 मिनट्स के लिए 60 किलोमीटर है, तो 40 मिनट्स के लिए 64 सा 240 किलोमीटर हुआ होगा ना, राइट? 240 किलोमीटर हुआ होगा, यस और नो पीपल? सो दिस वुड हैव बीन 240 किलोमीटर, राइट? समझ रहे हो बात? तो 40 मिनट्स लेट 240 किलोमीटर, तो 30 मिनट्स लेट मतलब उसका, राइट, 60 into 30 180 किलोमीटर, तो दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस 60 किलोमीटर हो गया ना, राइट. सो फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो यू गाइस कैन फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस. From there also you people can find out the distance here, right? From there also you people can find out the distance. Okay, yes. So this is what, right? तो हम इधर स्ट्राइशन करेंगे. So actually ये कॉन्सेप्ट और बेहतर आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा when I take up the problem, right? Yes, when I take up the problem, कि when I take up the problem तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा कि ये क्या है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ मेरा डिस्टेंस जो है, यहाँ मेरा डिस्टेंस जो है मैं लिख सकता हूँ इधर. यस, कैन आई राइट डाउन माई डिस्टेंस हियर पीपल? कैन आई राइट डाउन माई डिस्टेंस? क्योंकि मुझे ऑलरेडी मिल गया मेरा डिस्टेंस कितना होने वाला है. तो इधर कितना डिस्टेंस गया है बाबा, बट ये वाला डिस्टेंस ही ले लो, ये वाला डिस्टेंस ही ले लो. सो आई एम सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दिस अगेन. सो यस, we'll do this again here. See it, d is equal to xy divided by x minus y into delta t. तो d मेरा 60 किलोमीटर लगा लो, क्योंकि ये 60 किलोमीटर में ही, ये 60 किलोमीटर में ही मेरा अटका ना, 60 किलोमीटर में ही मुझे डिफरेंस ऑफ स्पीड नजर आ रहा है. तो ये बन जाएगा 4x इंटू 5x, सॉरी y लिख दिया. सो दिस इज 4x इंटू 5x डिवाइडेड बाई x, डेल्टा टी इज 10, 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 60 लिखना होगा. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा बाबा, 60 इज इक्वल टू 1/3x. यस और नो? तो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 60 इंटू 3 180. यस और नो? x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 60 इंटू 3 180. तो वही मिला ना मुझे, 30 किलोमीटर में गया तो 180 मिला ना. यस, ओके. सो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, राइट. तो x का स्पीड अगर 180 है तो मुझे 5x का स्पीड निकालना है. x का स्पीड 180 मिल गया, राइट. आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 5x, राइट. 180 इंटू 5 और दिस इंटू 5, राइट. वही करते जाना है बस, राइट. वही करते जाना है. यहाँ मैं 30 मिनट्स का ले लूंगा तो मुझे 30 मिनट्स का भी 180 किलोमीटर मिल गया ना, राइट. 30 मिनट्स का भी 180 किलोमीटर मिल गया ना. या तो आप d को इधर 120 लगा लो और हाफ एन आवर लगा लो, राइट. आई एम जस्ट चेंजिंग द टाइमिंग्स हियर, राइट. 10 मिनट्स लेट, 20 मिनट्स लेट, 30 मिनट्स लेट, आपको x का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा और आप x से पूरा इधर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, राइट. और आप x से इधर पूरा फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. 5x का वैल्यू कितना है, 4x का वैल्यू कितना है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू गाइस कैन फाइंड आउट. अगर 120 होता, राइट, इफ माय स्पीड वाज 120 है 4x और ये हाफ एन आवर होता 1/2, तो 5x का वैल्यू 60 आ जाता. यस और नो? 5x का वैल्यू 60 आ जाता. सो दैट्स इट विद द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ट्रेन्स पीपल. ओके, दैट्स इट विद द कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ट्रेन हियर, राइट. या तो आप रेशियो मेथड से जाओ जहां आप डिस्टेंस को लेते ही नहीं हो कंसिडरेशन पे, या तो आप ये t+10 पे जाओ जहां आप डिस्टेंस को लेते हो कंसिडरेशन पे, राइट. यस, okay, this is what is the concept behind it. Anyways, I'll be solving the questions on it on my Unacademy free platform on my special classes. Please do attend all my special classes which are going to be scheduled. तो कल आपका 2 स्पेशल क्लासेस है, एक 8 बजे को है और एक 9 बजे को है. एक 8 बजे को है हाफ एन आवर का स्पेशल क्लास, एक 9 बजे को है हाफ एन आवर का स्पेशल क्लास. सो प्लीज डू अटेंड बोथ दीज लेक्चर्स, राइट. आई विल बी टेकिंग सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस, राइट. आई विल बी टेकिंग सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस जहां आप लोगों को ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाएगा. Here you might feel like this, पर मैं बताता हूँ तुम लोगों को एक्सीडेंट कॉन्सेप्ट का 2-3 क्वेश्चंस ले लो और सिमिलर वे में सॉल्व करो. You guys will get the answer for it. Okay? Yes. Tomorrow we'll be practicing quants in my special classes, so please do attend it. Okay? So yes, that's it from the lesson talk, right? So I will meet you people tomorrow at the same time 11 p.m. Right? I'll meet you people tomorrow at the same time 11 p.m. and tomorrow we will start with mensuration. Right? Tomorrow we'll start with mensuration. ठीक है, tomorrow we'll start with mensuration. यार t को भी चेंज कर दो, राइट. यहाँ मैंने 30 मिनट्स लेट किया तो t आपको 10 मिनट्स लेट आया. यस, अगर मैं 10 मिनट्स लेट होता तो इधर t 30 मिनट्स हो जाता, राइट. तो हाफ एन आवर डायरेक्टली सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. डेल्टा t इज हाफ एन आवर, राइट. मतलब 30/60 इज नथिंग बट हाफ एन आवर. 4x माइनस दिस x, तो 5x का वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगा 60, and x का वैल्यू इधर 80. Here the distance is not given thoroughly, but from the distance you guys can consider it. From the distance you guys can consider कि कितना होगा. तो 40 मिनट्स डिले की वजह से 240 किलोमीटर हुआ होगा. 40 मिनट्स कौन सा स्पीड पे जा रहा हूँ मैं, 5x का स्पीड में जा रहा हूँ. 30 मिनट्स कौन सा स्पीड में जा रहा हूँ, 4x का स्पीड में जा रहा हूँ. तो 4x का स्पीड में गया तो 180 into 4, राइट, ऐड कर दो तो उतना टोटल डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. 30 मिनट्स में ना 180 किलोमीटर, 30 मिनट्स में 180 किलोमीटर, राइट. 180 किलोमीटर प्लस 180 into 4 जितना आता है वो आपका टोटल डिस्टेंस हो जाता है, राइट. 8x, राइट. या तो 50 और 40 किलोमीटर से भी आगे जा सकते हो इफ दे हैव गिवन यू द डिस्टेंस, राइट. 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड द डिस्टेंस इज गिवन एज 350 किलोमीटर और समथिंग, और पर आवर, राइट. इधर तो मुझे डेल्टा टी 10 मिनट्स दिया है ना, सॉरी तो डेल्टा टी 10 मिनट्स दिया, तो इधर S1 S2 50 और 40 कर सकते हो आप, कोई चिंता नहीं है, या तो 10 मिनट्स लेके पूरा डिस्टेंस भी कर सकते हो, नो इश्यूज इन इट, राइट, नो इश्यूज इन इट। तो इधर 10 मिनट्स लेट मिला है, ओके, तो 10 मिनट्स इसकी वजह से हुआ था ना, राइट, 10 मिनट्स वाज द रीजन वाज दिस हैपेंड, 10 मिनट्स में 60 किलोमीटर, राइट, 10 मिनट्स में अगर 60 किलोमीटर जाता है तो स्पीड इज ऑलवेज फॉर पर आवर, राइट, स्पीड हमेशा किलोमीटर पर आवर में दिया जाता है ना, तो 10 मिनट्स है तो 10 मिनट्स को 60 किलोमीटर करने के लिए 10 इंटू 6 करना पड़ेगा, तो टोटल भी 60 इंटू 6 हो जाएगा ना, 360, राइट, उधर भी सेम है, राइट, ओके, देयर इज नो इश्यूज इन द कॉन्सेप्ट हियर, राइट, 240 इंटू 5x मतलब 180 इंटू 5, और एल्स, और इधर 180 इंटू 4, 30 मिनट्स डिले, राइट, 30 मिनट्स डिले, राइट, 40 इंटू दिस, राइट, ये करोगे तो आपको पूरा डिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा, राइट। तो इधर आप एक और क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, सर 30 मिनट्स के लिए डिस्टेंस और 40 मिनट्स के लिए डिस्टेंस मैच सेम नहीं कर रहा, क्यों नहीं कर रहा, क्यों नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग हियर इज सम पॉइंट, डू आई नो द डिस्टेंस हियर पीपल, राइट, इसका मुझे डिस्टेंस पता है क्या, नहीं पता है, आई एम टेलिंग इधर से 60 किलोमीटर अहेड, इधर से 60 किलोमीटर आ गया तो ये हो गया, तो ओरिजिनल डिस्टेंस हमेशा मेरा फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट का ही निकलता है, ओरिजिनल डिस्टेंस हमेशा मेरा फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट एट दिस वन, सेकंड और फर्स्ट और सेकंड में क्यों गड़बड़ी होता है, क्योंकि आई डू नॉट नो द डिस्टेंस डन हियर, आई ओनली नो द डिस्टेंस हियर, इस डिस्टेंस को लेकर मैं पूरा डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करूँ, ओके, तो वो गलत मत समझो कि सर 30 मिनट्स के लिए, तो हम हमेशा हमारा ओरिजिनल डिस्टेंस के लिए क्या करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज टेक दिस एज रेफरेंस फॉर अवर ओरिजिनल डिस्टेंस, तो यहाँ 18 इंटू 5 900, so 900 plus 240 kilometer, right, my original distance will be 1140 kilometer, right, the total distance, right, my original distance will be 1140 kilometer, the total distance, ठीक है, so that's it with the class guys, I will see you people in tomorrow with a new topic, mensuration, so tomorrow we'll start with 2D mensuration and then we'll go with 3D mensuration, ठीक है, so thank you so much for attending throughout the class, I will see you guys in tomorrow's lecture, have a great day ahead, take care, bye bye.